Welcome to Solver Fee.
In this question, it is told that an 85 Newton box is pushed across a horizontal floor, and it is told that it is flowing at a constant rate of 0.9 meter per second square. Now we have given the component of this force in horizontal and vertical direction. We have to find the value of coefficient of kinetic friction. So first of all, I am showing the diagram for this given question. So let this is the floor and this is the box of orange, and we have given the component of push force in x direction, let this is fx, and in y direction, let this is fy, and let the normal force is, that is n, and weight of this blocks is vertically downward, that is mg, and the frictional force acting in opposite direction, let this is fk. It is told that the box is slowing down, so the acceleration of this block is in opposite direction, that is in this direction. Now we can say that from Newton's second law, that is net force is given by mass into acceleration. So net force is Fx minus, that is Fk, and this is m into a. Now put the value of Fk, so this will be mu k into the normal force, and this is ma. Now from here we can say that n plus n is, this is n is equals to Fy plus of mg. So finally we get, this is fx minus mu k into, this is fy plus mg is equals to m into a. Now put all the data in this equation. So fx is given to us, that is 20, minus this is mu k. Fy is given to us, that is 25, plus weight is given to, that is 85, is equals to, this is 85 upon 9.8, and it is told that it is slowing down, so the acceleration is actually, this is not accelerated, this is decelerated with an that is 0.9, and this will comes out to be minus. So from here we get the value of mu k, and this is 0.2527. So this is the coefficient of kinetic friction, and this is our answer for this given question. Thank you.